Your dog's not feeling good. Your cat's acting weird. And the vet has no idea what's going on. It might not be food or age or genetics. It might be your house. So I've seen mold affect pets just like I've seen them affect people. Sometimes worse, because pets are closer to the ground. They're constantly breathing in air from the floor. Signs to watch for: coughing and sneezing, fatigue or hiding, skin issues. They're not eating. So one client had 2 dogs, both coughing nonstop. We found black mold in the HVAC system. After remediation, both dogs were back to normal within a month. So if your pet's health is suddenly off and nothing's adding up, don't just check the food bowl, check your air.